Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change the static host name using nmtui command in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So first I am logging to terminal as a root user. So type the command hostname.ctl. So here you can see that some static hostname is already set, and also I am checking the configuration file cat/etc/hostname. You can see that static hostname is already there. We are going to modify this by using nmtui command. Type the command nmtui. Yes, so nmtui is nothing but network managed text user interface. So you can change the static hostname like this. So I am updating the new static hostname with fully qualified domain name. Okay, quit. That's it. Let me execute the hostname.ctl command once again. Yes, you can see that new static hostname is got updated. Let me check the configuration file. Yes, so configuration file also got updated. Hostname configuration file. Let me go to settings about. Go to settings about. Yes, so here also you can see that newly changed, newly updated static hostname is got updated. So I'm optionally restarting the systemd-hostname services. So it's optional only. So make sure that your computer in standalone, not in any network, when you touch the static host names. So this is the way we need to set or change static hosting using nmti command in CentOS Stream 9.